Good news tonight on the coronavirus front is the end of the COVID pandemic emergency for California, and LA County is soon going to follow.
Marla Tejas, you've been following all of this.
I have, and we have some more answers about LA County tonight. It is the end of an era for the state of California. The statewide COVID-19 emergency declaration that was put into place almost exactly 3 years ago will end at midnight tonight. It was March 4th, 2020 that Governor Gavin Newsom declared a state of emergency due to the coronavirus. The move gave him broad executive powers to protect Californians. Those moves included seizing private property like hotels to be used in Project Roomkey, and also instituting sweeping vaccine and mask mandates. Ending the emergency will not make much of a difference in the everyday lives of most people, but it could eventually affect the cost of and access to treatment and preventive services. State law requires health plans to cover the cost of COVID-19 therapeutics and vaccines until November. The uninsured should be able to access treatments and vaccines until at least this summer. Meanwhile, today, the LA County Board of Supervisors voted unanimously 5-0 to end the county's local COVID emergency effective March 31st.
COVID is still with us, but it is no longer an emergency, and it is time for us in LA County to end our emergency orders.
And if COVID has not taught us anything, it should have taught us that any given day, what you have can be taken away quickly. So with that, I'm proud to support this, and I'm ready to support and vote yes.
Moderator, can we have
Chair Supervisor Janice Hahn introduced this motion today that was co-authored by Supervisor Catherine Barger. Both thanked the county's employees, essential workers, first responders, and medical professionals for their work throughout the pandemic. The emergency declaration, like the states, allowed the county to set up Project Roomkey, mass testing, and drive-through vaccination sites. It also helped the board fast-track the outdoor dining policy and institute tenant protections. The board, though, did get some pushback from the public today from many who urged them to align with the state and end the emergency tonight. Hahn says the March 31st expiration gives county departments 4 weeks to prepare and inform the public about any changes. And by the way, the city of Pasadena, of course, in LA County, has its own health department, and today the city announced it will lift its emergency this Sunday in the coming days.